baking. Woo! What was that? That was so weird. The oven. That was the oven. All right. Are we ready? Are we ready? Gotta get myself hyped up, pumped up, ready for the video. You know what I'm saying? That's what we gotta do. Wow, like that. This is good. This is pretty good. Yeah, this looks great. Wow, welcome to my kitchen.
Do you want to do that?
All right. Hey guys, what's going on? Okay, that was weird. New one. Okay. Yo. What's up, YouTube?
Time to bake.
What's up, YouTube? It's time to fucking bake. All right, for real.
Okay.
Hey there. Guys. Fucking God. Fuck this shit. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Okay.
All right. What's up, guys? Today
What's
we're
up?
doing some quick and easy protein ball bites.
15-minute gingerbread.
In 15 minutes. Quick, easy, simple. We're doing gingerbread flavored little donut holes, and oh my gosh, are you ready? Okay. All right, so we're doing 2 scoops of protein, and we're gonna do.
This is just vanilla.
Just like regular vanilla protein.
Scoops of vanilla protein.
All right, so 2 scoops of that. Oh, hold on, we gotta get the measurements up real quick.
I didn't save the
We're
picture.
pretty prepared for this.
I didn't save it.
You didn't save it?
No.
Oh, okay.
Camera roll.
God.
Okay.
Okay, so we got it. We're
We're gonna need a 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon.
all right, and then we just do a little bit of cinnamon.
We got our cinnamon.
Okay, so cinnamon's in there. Perfect.
Oh. We good. We're back. Little dash of nutmeg. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah.
So we got a ginger.
Ginger? Added. Cool. All right, so what did we add already?
We've added nutmeg and cinnamon.
All right.
Yeah, how much does it say oats in it? Add a cup of oats.
It doesn't say oats, so that's weird.
I would still add a cup of oats.
Okay, I'm still gonna add them. Maybe we should do like a little bit less than a cup.
Okay. I was just gonna say, like, how many do you want to make?
Oh yeah, I don't
Let me
know.
get my scissors out.
I don't know how many this takes. That should be good. Oats make everything better, so.
Oats.
We're adding oats. Doesn't call for oats, but hey.
Always need the carbs.
Carbs are life.
Add
We're
our
still
packet
gonna
of almond butter.
We're just gonna add a packet because I don't want to buy the whole thing because I don't really like almond butter like that.
Yeah, I don't.
I would rather
usually use
peanut butter. Peanut butter, yeah.
Take a tablespoon of this coconut sugar.
Ooh, I'm excited. I don't know what
Just
this tastes
for
like. I don't know what it
sweet,
tastes
yeah. It looks.
like.
It looks
Tastes
good.
like sugar.
Smells.
Tastes
Oh yeah, it
good.
smells
Ooh.
like regular sugar.
That's good.
I'll add 2 of those just to be sweet, because
Yeah.
there's nothing in it. Literally. And then we have some
Good for you.
agave syrup. In place of like honey or maple syrup.
Ooh.
It's just so good.
She's a vegan, so you know we gotta
This
be
is
all
really good.
vegan here.
I'm gonna grind it up, mix it up a little bit.
That's it.
There you go.
It's already preheated. Just preheated the 350.
Put it
And
on the
we're
middle,
good to
or
go.
just the Yeah. Okay. So now we're making chocolate peanut butter banana oat balls. This is my favorite kind. So 2 scoops of chocolate protein. We're just mixing it in the same bowl. because the other one was really good, so it'll probably taste good with this too.
Yeah. Oh my god.
So 2 scoops of that. I love bananas, so I'll put about banana and a half in there. 1.5.
She made me bananas in the gingerbread one.
Just because it makes it nice and creamy. So it'll give it a good flavor.
Yeah, these are gonna be good with the chocolate powder
So
protein because this is the protein that I use. And I was gonna bring this one with me, but I forgot it, of course. It's okay. But
and then I just kind of eyeball this. I'm just gonna throw some oats in there, and then.
We don't even need that.
Okay.
2 cups, 3 cups.
That was only like a cup, honestly.
Okay, that was
because I've been measuring out all of my stuff recently.
Okay, that was.
Gonna add a little bit of the rest of the agave syrup in there, just as like a little bit of a liquid. It's okay, no, I need to go to the grocery anyways. And do our peanut butter. Now, if you wanted, you could measure this out, but I don't know, where did our little tablespoon thing go?
I don't know. I don't see it. What the fuck? It just disappeared.
Oh, right here in the syrup, or in the coconut
sugar.
In the coconut sugar. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter is what a serving size is, which really isn't a lot of peanut butter, in my opinion. For how big these oat balls are, usually I have the PB2 oat PB2 powder, which is really good, a lot less fat. So I'm just gonna add 3 tablespoons instead of 2, just to get that extra little bit of peanut butter. And then again, mix it all up with your hands.
Okay, and then we gotta mix it up. Okay. Alright, let me check on these real quick. Let's check on them. They're not really ballish anymore.
Oh man.
It's okay.
So we'll make gingerbread cookies.
Okay, so we're making gingerbread cookies. Okay, so we've turned the peanut butter banana ones into balls. Well,
a dough to make them into balls.
Yeah, so we added like, how many more cups?
A lot of oats, like 2.5 cups of oats.
Okay, so like 2.5 cups of oats to make the balls. Because we used a lot more ingredients in this, so we're gonna need more. Yeah. More oats. Oh.
Because we want them to stay more in balls when they cook, not form into cookies.
Yeah, like
how
the gingerbread ones turned out into cookies. Yeah. So we should have done more oats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or something more
The recipe sucked, so it's okay. We're making gingerbread protein cookies. It's alright. They're still gonna be fire.
Yeah. This.
Whoa. Ooh. Okay. We're gonna take these out now. They smell so good.
They smell really good.
Ooh, they smell so good. Ooh. So we're gonna wait for these to cool off and finish these. Okay. Wow.
Pop those in the oven.
Alright, so ready? These peanut butter banana ones going in. Roscoe! What's up, buddy? Hey, Roscoe! Hey, buddy. Roscoe's the cutest little baby. Yeah, you are. No, you're on YouTube. You're famous.
Those gingerbread ones, though, we might have to make more of those after. Those turned out really good.
I know. Look at him. Look at his teeth. He's smiling.
His teeth
He's so cute. Oh my god, she always makes fun of his teeth because he has buck teeth. Oh. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. He's perfect the way he is. Just say I was born like this, Mom. Oh, got him. Ooh, success.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Good.
Mm-hmm. And it has protein. Cheers. Mm-hmm. Try this chocolate one real quick.
Tastes good.
Mmm. Very chocolatey.
I eat this all the time. This is like what my ice cream tastes like.
Yeah? I love this gingerbread one. This is so good. Okay. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick, easy little protein healthy snack. We calculated this up and it's like 10 calories or something like that.
They're like 40 calories a cookie.
40?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we tried.
These have like 5 grams of protein in each ball because 2 scoops of the protein powder was like 60 grams and didn't make very many balls.
Yeah, these are way more protein and these are way less fat.
Exactly. These are for like gaining. These are healthier. These are the healthier option. These are calorie loaded.
Yeah, but for me, these are way better. I would eat like. Oh, we're gonna make more of these.
We're about to make more of these.
So okay, but yes, so good. Thank you guys. We'll see you in my next one. Bye. You're Oscar. Let's go. What up, buddy?